original.
Yeah, there were some of the windows that they wouldn't lock down. If we had some wind, you could see the curtains move. Of course, the windows were the original in this house, and it was built in 1977. And I think some moisture did get into some of those windows, and so it was time. It was time to replace them. So
they were rough. Energy Guard came by one day and asked us if we were interested in learning more about the windows they had to offer. We were impressed with the windows. We had looked through a couple other companies, and these seemed to be the nicest windows at a really affordable price with the financing option, and that's why we went with them.
They showed up in the morning, and they worked till probably, what time was it? About evening, right before dark, and there was 3 of them, and hard workers, and did a good job.
It's quiet.
Yeah.
We don't hear the traffic like we did before.
And you can actually see outside.
Yep. Well, a couple weeks into having them finished, we had a bird hit the window once because they were so clear. Yeah, I think it looks sharp. We were not sure about going from a wood to the vinyl, and it looks nice.
Yeah, I think it really helped the appearance outside of the house and also inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got some text messages after they were completed that the windows look nice.
Had several people tell me that our windows looked really good. Really helped the appearance of the house anyway.
We already have. That they are a nice window, efficient windows, worth it. I have a real estate license, and I know how important new windows are to people looking to buy homes. And the crew was respectful and worked hard, and we've been very pleased with them.